Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting tutorial on how to use Immersity.ai, a free AI animation tool that brings your images to life. I'm really excited about this, so let's get started. Immersity.ai is a powerful web app that allows you to convert your pictures into stunning 3D motion animations. I'll be providing all the links in the description, so don't worry about that. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Upload your picture. First, go to the Immersity.ai website. You'll see an option to upload your picture. Click on it and select the image you want to animate. Once uploaded, the tool will automatically add a motion effect to your picture. Step 2. Adjust the animation style. Notice the default animation applied to your image. You can customize this by selecting different animation styles. Here are a few options. Reverse loop. This will create a back and forth motion. Vertical stretch. This makes the image appear to stretch vertically. Horizontal stretch. This stretches the image horizontally. Zoom out. This makes the image zoom out gradually. To change the animation, simply select your desired style from the options available. Step 3. Customize the animation. You can further customize the animation by turning off the loop option if you want the animation to play only once. This gives you more control over how your final animation will look. Step 4. Export your animation. Once you're happy with your animation, it's time to export it. Click on the Export button. Here, you can configure the number of repetitions for the animation. For this tutorial, I'll go with 1 repetition. Step 5. Choose Export Quality. Next, choose the export quality. Immersity.ai offers a free option, which is great for most purposes. However, if you want a 4K quality export, you can choose the premium option, which costs 50 credits. For this tutorial, I recommend sticking with the 720p free option. Step 6. Download your animation. After selecting the export quality, click on Export. Your animation will be processed and saved in your download folder. And that's it. Your animated image is ready to be shared and enjoyed. Immersity.ai makes it incredibly easy to bring your images to life with stunning 3D animations. Experiment with different styles and find the one that suits your needs best. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to check the description for all the links and additional resources. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.